Hello, as of now, you can see the Excel gold. So, as per this, if you can see the chart now, we took the trade for the buy side. The reason behind that it is only for the market structure. If you can see the market, the swings, you can see a swing low and swing highs are making the market structure. If you see, it's bullish. Okay. If you can see the bullishness in the market, then absolutely we can look for the bullish setup. Obviously, obviously we can look for the bullish setup. That's why I took the bullish side trade here and executions here. Simply, I can say that one thing here, if we see the long higher time frame is bullish, then I go with in a minor time frame also we have to go with bullishness bias. There is no biasness for the selling side for as per my perspective. So I took the trade for the long side. So as you can see here in my terminal exchange swift terminal, I took a 0.0, I took an entry with 0.03 lots with a risk reward. My SL is below that. If you see this three swing lows, my SM is around 750 rupees and my target is around 4,800 rupees. Okay, so it's going very great till now. Moment is the moment is just wow. We capture it. If we see in the terminal exchange, we can see here the three times tested. That's the it's create the liquidity here downside. We can say that once it's go upside liquidity pickup till this, then can also come back to the to take that liquidity. The reason behind this trend we can simply explain to you. If you can check to the 15-minute time frame, if you can check 15-minute time frame, we can see here the market structure. If we map market structure here, we can going with biasness. Okay, here is a strong low. Okay, it's already in. If you see backward, it's already in a uptrend. Okay, overall market is an uptrend. If you can see the market overall trend is an uptrend. So that's first thing to decide the enter. We have to look for the setups for the upside. Okay, so we are here we choose the time frame as per the 1 hour market structure. Okay, and then we shift it to 15 minutes. If you can see the market here is making a break of structure. If you see from this point here create a liquidity of a double bottom. Okay, it creates the double bottom liquidity, but it we don't know about when it will take it out. Okay, we don't know about when it's going to be taken out this liquidity, but again we can say here also triple bottom liquidity created. Okay, so that liquidity I thought as per the I'm going to the market structure. If you see the market structure here, making breakout structure, and here is again a double top. You can see here double top liquidity creations here. This is a breakup structure. This is also breakup structure. If you can see, here is change of character. Change of character. After the change of character, it not came to the, after change of character, it came to the just minimum from which point change of character, this point. Okay, still this point, it's on the market not came back to for pullback for further selling. Okay, for further selling it will not come to the, come to this point. Here we can see here our order block for the sellings. Order block for the sellings, but we can see here it's come back to the final stage at the order block at a buying side. Okay, it fills the order for the buying side. Let's see, we take a risk with that minimum sell with a higher reward. What it will happen? Let's see. For the rest is the best. The final point of view, why we go for the buy side. The final point of view, we can say that our choice is a downside. Okay, our choice is downside, but we didn't get a break of structure for downside. Okay, if we get a break of structure downside, then we can consider the we can consider sellers are interested to do sale. But only it's a change of character downside, then we can see here it's not and second point here, the pullback is not up to that point, from which point, for which number, which levels we can sell again. Okay, the pullback is not much stronger and not much of that. So we can say here, if we can see market structure here. The market structure still in a bullish phase. Okay, what about if it is a church and then break of structure, again we can say it's a seller's control, but it's only for the trap direction. I Here is a trap, again here is a trap. Okay, as per my conclusion, what I am seeing in the frame. So as per me, it's a trap for the sellers, this one. But in actually, if you see here, here is another liquidity is pending, which is a buy side. Okay, if we see here break of structure, so we can expect break of structure means another higher high can create here. So that's why we took this risk and opportunity for the go long side. We can say the market overall is in a bullish trend. So we don't look for sell. Okay, when we do sell, if it is comes in a 1 hour chart, if it shows a change of character and break of structure, then we can decide for the sell off. Until and unless, we can only look for the buying setup, buy opportunity. So currently you can see that gold is trending around 3377 level after period of consolidation. If you observe closely, the price recently tested support area. Okay, highlighted support area. Highlighted support area. And this support zone is being holding for some time, and buyers have stepped repeatedly to defend it. Okay, if you know the buyers have repeatedly starting to buy from that points that we get the entry for the buy side, and just the above area we mark the potential buy zone which aligns with the this orange rectangular. We can call it a OB, buying side OB. If we notice how market created the higher high higher low, we can see from here, and the strong support here created change of character here, and that retracement we can see that retracement tell us the sellers were active. Okay, sellers sellers are active, but they didn't break the this low, previous low, and that shows us so sellers are weak. So that's why I took the trade for the long. If bulls can take control here, the next possible target will be till this point, 3385. What am I? And if it is if bulls are not controllable here, if sellers can control from this market, can we exit easily? Our stop loss here around 3372. And if you can see the here, short-term traders might focus on quick gains, but position traders are likely watching for a sustainable uptrend. If we can see positionally, it's on gold in a totally in a uptrend. But if in a quick scalping, you can for a short gain you can sell it gold as per gold scalping wise you can sell it. And as long as go hold this demand zone, the bias remains favorable over this zone. As long as gold holds this demand zone, the bias remains favorable. So I'm not interested to sell. That's why I only in long position. For no reaction looks strong and uptrend scenario is still alive. If we can see this these candles and there is a rejection sticking, I'll be watching for a decisive bullish candle to close above this, and it's important for us. We can say here buyers are active, so we can easily shift our SL towards CTC. And this is a critical stop. We can say this is a critical spot. We cannot decide here either buyers can enter aggressively. So big move could be just around the corner. We can say here. Just one thing I can say here, you have to stay with your strict yourself. Just focus on protect to capital. If we can see now, the price is hovering around the key support zone, but the market can unpredictable. It's crucial to place stop losses. Just below this support area, any downside risk cannot be happen. I'm also confused because I'm position is in long side, so I'm not biased for the selling till now. Protecting, let's talk about SLs. If you protect your capital means not risking more than a small percentage, okay? Not risking a small more than a percentage. Even we can see gold is showing this uptrend, okay? But still we take a trade for uptrend, but we still stick with our SL. That's how we manage our risk reward. And we are not chasing for the money. We are going with only risk reward. If it is well and good, if it is we can get a target, or otherwise we can SL, we will be happy for both, in both scenarios. Let's have a look at excess terminal. We are in rupees 37 rupees profit. This trade is around, like we can see here, our SL is already we are stick with SL 753 rupees, and the target is 400 800 4800 around something. But eventually, once we can see this swing high break, we can easily we can our vessel will be trail towards the this area, which you can see a refugee area around 380. But but before that, we need a quick movement, upside impulsive movement. We took a trade, but we cannot assume and we cannot control the market. That's it. Just we have to watch either market going to give you a reward, or either market uh, taking your SL. Let's talk about trading. Till now, just watching already, I explained the trade, so there is no expect and that analysis, doing nothing. Trading, we can say about trading is not about just numbers and charts. Okay, It's a test of patience, discipline, about your mindset, how you imply, how you plan, how you take risk, how you manage your money. That's it. And main thing in trading, you need to protect your capital. Okay. First and last thing, always protect your capital. That's the main thing in your trading. If you see, can my in exchange terminal, I took a risk of 780 around, and as compared to the reward is 4,800. You can easily calculate here how much I am taking risk and how much I am taking reward. Okay, it's around 1:4. If I took a if my two trades are gone a wrong direction, okay, what I am saying, if my if my two, three, four trades are going in a wrong direction, but I, if you see this for the risk management, I can took six trades. If from six trades I lose five trades, if I win one trade, still I am in a profit of 780 rupees. You can calculate. This is the risk management how it works. And main thing, protecting capital is the main foundation of long-term growth. So you can, no matter how situation is create the market. So always, until unless don't get in a FOMO, always use your mindset and plan for the market. Just wait, wait, wait. Yeah, okay. Someone is texted like, yeah, Fuji strong volume selling candle hai. Yeah, we can say that it's a strong volume candle FUG, but if we can see the market structure is in bullish trend, uptrend. Overall, if we can check the it's a 15-minute FUG, so it cannot be that much impactful in my opinion, but it will also, okay. At the end, it's a market. We cannot decide the either it will work or it will not work. At the end, it's your faith, it's your trust, it's your process and planning, how you manage your trade. Because we cannot predict the moves. If we start predicting the moves now, then we are all going to be billionaire soon. And ultimately, trading is endless journey of learning and self-improvement. Markets are unpredictable. Yet those who are thrive, adapt quickly, learn from mistakes, and keep emotions in check. The goal is not to win every trade. As I, the goal is not to win every trade. As I previously, we talk about RR from six trades. If we lose five trades, still we in six trade. If we win, still we were in break even. Okay, so you have to manage the risk reward as per that. And if you go same, if you from six trade, if you win three trades and three lose, so you are in a much more in profitability ratio. And the main goal is trading traders mindset is not to win every trade, but keep playing the game for years, gradually building wealth through risk management. You have to control yourself and thoughtful decision making. You have to decision making will be thoughtful, and the reason behind it, you have to keep it general yourself. And the best trader invests not in just money but energy in developing their discipline, always respecting the power of the market and understanding that humility is as valuable as a profitable trader. Got it? It's going good. Good. You can see. Till now, just like and share and comment. So I can just request you. It's up to you. You have to like it or not, or comment it or not. But if you are watching this live stream, please like and comment it. Yes, further moving for the upside, if you can see, we are only watching 15 minutes time frame. We are not going to the 3 minute 1 minute. If you go to the 3 minute 1 minute, it's in a something like pullback. We can create a fearness. So we have to, as per match, as ignore that things and that emotions feelings. we have I'm sticking with one time frame which is 15 minutes. I took a entry in a 15 minutes, so I will take a target in a 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm not switching another time frames. So rally is upside is good. You can see in access terminal it's going showing better much profit till now 1000 if you can see the market. The movement is a very fine, but we cannot. So as we can see, what we're taking any entry or what we're thinking about, always we have to believe, self belief in yourself, and rest to the God. Okay, just believe the God. God is always doing a good for yourself. Always believe in God's plan. The rest knows everything will be going to good with you. The trade is now in my favor, but I will, as I previously stated that once it's break the high, I can tell my SL to the CTC. So I have to capture this till this moment, this move. We can see here a double top liquidity is pending here. So as I said, always believe in your trades. Enter Okay, even if it is a give you reward or if it is hunt you yourself, always believe in your trades. If you believe in your trades, means you are following your proper plans. When you enter in trades, you are setting your stop losses and you are setting your profit levels based on your strategy which you are using. So always sticking with these levels so you can avoid emotionally attachment for these trades and you can avoid the bigger losses also. And being confident doesn't mean ignoring losses. Confidence must be coupled with the effective risk management always. Even the best trades have hit the stop losses, and the goal is to ensure wins and losses overall by managing risk reward. Okay, your one goal needs to be always set. It is lose or it will be rewardable. You have to manage the risk reward. Main thing here. And believing your trades helps maintaining your emotional discipline during the ups and downs. However, always respect your trading plans. As I said, stop losses and profits to avoid the turning in losses. So if you can see now sir, overall trade is in our favor. You can see here is our good profit showing around 1,600 rupees. So I can trail our SE and in the profits. Okay, I'm trailing myself to the 600 no, 598 rupees. Okay, so I have modified my positions now. In this moment we captured live. Okay, we didn't something do. Firstly we take a entry, then we explain. No, nothing. We in front of you all of guys, I took this trade and from this point we are waiting for this reward. Hmm, going good now. Let's see what happens next. Trade is going in our direction. It's good, well and good.